Welcome to Hippy Trev Cooking. Roll that intro.
It's the Hippy Trev cooking show. What will he cook this time? Who knows? Let's sit back and see what he makes. So start cooking already, Trev, for fuck's sake.
Cooking with Hippy Trev.
Well, good afternoon, world. I've had a request from Hippy Trev that I do a couple of videos on a couple of food packages that I bought recently. So we really like our back country, but I've been able to get onto some of these real meals, still made in New Zealand. So I've got a real meal Mexican nachos, real meal beef stroganoff, which have requested I try. And of course my favourite is the desserts. Everyone knows I love my desserts. Hippy doesn't like the desserts, but that's his choice. And I've also got a couple of these Australian made ones, on-track meals. I haven't tried these. I think Trev's tried the beef stroganoff. So we've got the all-day breakfast and the slow-cooked Australian steak. Now these ones aren't freeze-dried. These ones go onto the boiling water. So like if you've got a jet boil or something like that, that's where you'd use these. I'm just going to cook them on the stove here and give them a try. So over the next 3 days, I'm going to do each one of these meals. I use beautiful tank water. I'll just flick that on and I'm just going to read what it's saying here. I might take the Mexican nachos. They did have a really hot meal which Kev wanted me to try. These are $19.99. These are from Bluey's Hunting and Fishing here in Wodonga. They've got an online shop. Soldidaro's beans with tasty cheese, sour cream and organic corn chips. Sounds like a good little lunchtime meal. Just add water now. See how much water. I know Trev's been one to add too much water. I'm pretty conservative with the water. Having said that, I've got a little measuring thing here. I actually ran out of these meals. Next thing you know, I'm watching Trev's videos and he's got, heaps and heaps of these meals getting delivered. I missed the cut there before Christmas. And let's see what it's saying. Add 250 mils, which is 1 cup, which I use here. This is 200 mils. This should be just about 1 cup. What's it saying? This is 1 cup, 250. I know that because my dog gets 2 of these to eat each day with food in it. You wouldn't think so to see him. Mix thoroughly, 30 seconds. Reseal, wait, and 10 minutes. Enjoy immediately. 10 minutes, so put the old clock over there. I am going to crack this open. And yeah, let's give it a try. It's been a while since I've had a freeze-dried meal. I normally buy these in holidays and have them in the caravan. This looks pretty good. I've got to say, this is looking pretty good from the outset. That's looking like a meal and a peel. Now, nachos. Let's crack the 250 using the tank water. Every time I go to town now and drink their water, it tastes like not too nice. Trev's got the good water at his place. He's got the tank water. Now I've got to give that a stir. I can smell it already. I can smell that. I can smell the Mexicana taste, muchachos. So 30 seconds. Oh yeah, it just smells like nachos already. This is a new one for me. I hope it's a winner. Bluey's have got an online shop. Bluey's Fishing, Hunting and Fishing. Make sure to mention my name. And I'm going to give this a review when I go online. Giving it a good mix. I can see the corn chips in there. So I'm going to come back in 10 minutes and I'm going to have my lunch, which is going to be this nachos. Hoping I've got it all mixed up. Looking pretty good. That smells wonderful. They have a chili con carne. They've got quite a range of these. I normally don't eat hot food. I think my personal opinion is that chili is for beef that's not too good. Anyway, I'll come back in 10 minutes and we'll see how we're going. Rightio, that's been 10 minutes. And yeah, just in case it is a little bit warmish, I've got the nice drink there. I'm really looking forward to this. This is a $20 meal. If I was to go to the bakery right now, you know, what would I get? I'd probably get a pie, something else to eat with it, and, you know, maybe a drink, and I'd probably spend 20 bucks. Oh yeah, well, it's looking pretty good. You know, it actually smells like nachos, except it's probably a bit more healthier nachos than I would make. It's got beans in it. Trev doesn't normally do a bit of a tasting, but, you know, yeah, it's as good as it smells. There's no chili so far. It is well mixed. I'd have to give this a 10 out of 10. If I was up bush, and I could bring out one of these little deals, I'd be a pretty happy little camper. Now, I'm a big one for the ration packs where you get all the other stuff as well. But, you know, this is something I haven't tried. It's a new company, still made in New Zealand. Yeah. I think I'd be willing to have a go at their chili con carne as well. Apparently it's mild. Anyway, I'm going to finish this now. Don't forget to jump on that website, have a look at Bluey's Hunting and Fishing under their food, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I don't make videos anymore, I've lost my channel now, but as I said, Trev wanted me to do this. Welcome to Cooking with Hughsie number 2, as requested by Hippy Trev. I thought today, I've just had a nice chicken meal. I thought today I might have a look at some of these desserts. Some of the scribers might be unlike Trev and like to try something a little bit different. So I've got a choice. I've got the Real Meals apples and cream rice, 110 grams, 20 bucks. Or strawberry ambrosio dessert, which is a backcountry one. I've had these before. A soft serve mixture of strawberries, marshmallows and chocolate chips. I think I'm going to save that for when I get back up into the mallee. That sounds like a nice mallee meal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flick on the kettle, and I'm going to have a go at this apples and cream rice, creamy rice pudding, which I really love, and halal vanilla and spiced apples, H-E-I-L-A-L-A. I don't even know what that means. I'll look it up later. Got some bloke on the back that recommends it. Enjoy Akumini. He must be one of the blokes that recommends it. It's a $20 dessert. This ain't cheap, but given that I don't drink Wild Turkey or Jack Daniels or Jim Beam, this could be my version of having one of those. So, same again, 250 mils of water, which worked out perfect yesterday with the nachos. Thoroughly mix for 30 seconds, reseal, wait until rehydrated, enjoy immediately. And it's got a lot of ingredients, a lot of vanilla, sugar, you know, emulsified cinnamon. It does contain milk, possibly contains peanuts, sesame and all those things which a lot of kids can't handle. So this is the Real Meals that I've been testing. I was really happy yesterday. I'll be really interested in what this one's like, because there's nothing better when you're out camping and you've had your meal and it's not quite enough, and you just feel like a dessert. And you know, this is looking pretty good. So let's crack it open. Got a bit of a snake problem here at the moment, so there's always a bit of ammunition laying around here. Got brown snakes that keep jumping up at me. A friend of mine's got a black snake living too close to the house, and another friend of mine recently killed a tiger snake in his front yard. Now I can smell the apple. It's hard to describe what it looks like. There it is there. You know, I really don't know what that looks like, but I'll grab a spoon. It's a beautiful day up here today in the high country. It's only going to be about 31. I've already been up today doing a bit of work, but yeah, it is a nice day. Really enjoyed watching Grumpy yesterday on Hippy Trev's video. Fantastic to see that smoker in action. Yeah, I've never had a smoker. I don't mind the old wood-fired pizza though, and I reckon that thing would probably do that as well. Rightio, let's get it in here. And good thing about these is you don't need to have anything with them. You don't need to like have cream or ice cream or anything like that. Virtually just, yeah, the whole thing is oh yeah, I can smell it already. It's a nice dessert. This will be very much like Backcountry, I think. Backcountry's got a spicy apple dessert, which I really love. Real apple pieces. Everything in here is dehydrated, so you're not losing any goodness. The goodness is all in there. And let's face it, like I said to Trev, what do you reckon they eat on the International Space Station? They haven't exactly got porterhouse steaks up there, have they? Right, I'll just get rid of that. And seal that up. And 10 minutes we'll be out on the veranda, enjoying the view and eating this. Welcome back. I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone too, to all Trev's subscribers. You know, I put a lot of standing into Hippy Trev's videos. I really like them. I look forward to them when they come out. And, you know, a lot of people don't realise just how much effort he goes to do these videos. I've realised it now, and I've only put out 2 in 2 days. So here we go, apples and creamy rice. And it really looks like rice custard. And you probably think, okay, that's $20 there. But for me, you know, when you're not able to get good food, there's nothing wrong with this. And I love dessert, as you can probably tell. And, you know, let's have a try. The taste test. It smells pretty good. The first thing you notice is that you're eating really high quality apples. The taste of those apples is just beautiful. Like a stewed apple. The rice, it's actually quite big rice. Big chunks of apple. I'm not sure what else is in here. Definitely taste the cinnamon, vanilla bean. Yeah, nothing that you know, would really upset you. So anyway, I'm going to hook into this now. I'm up here in the high country. It's absolutely beautiful day today, sitting in the shade. Last day of the year. I had last day of the year here as well. Last year. I'm going to really enjoy this. So yeah, as I said, Happy New Year to everyone. And I hope you have a good one, and yeah, hopefully make one more of these.